learn from the sounds. Here we go. First one. Oh, easy. That's Netflix. Yeah. I'm pretty sure everyone got that one, right? It gets harder from here. Next up. McDonald's. Of course. Okay. Oh, okay. That brings back so many memories. This is Windows XP starting screen. Pretty sure it's Windows XP. Yes, sir. Were you guys able to get that one? Oh, dude, that's familiar. I've heard this one before. I forgot. I forgot this one. Oh, it's TikTok. It's the outro. Why was that so hard? What do we have? This is the Warner Brothers. It's Wait, this is Tom and Jerry. Dude, I haven't heard that sound in ages. Out of this list, how many did you guys get correct?